ha a studio B ewo a nimdie showroom sabre yensem no stories abeka yensa ewo my Ghana o political news etwego sabre yemonwura ensem no emu
for another notice, so we put it on the order paper. So I understood that to mean there everything is settled and that Speaker will wait upon the court before we deal with the matter. Then you go do chamber. And I'm meeting who there NDC one front bench, you know, they feel they hurry now, why rush too much. Enjoy the others nation. What they were going to do was that the petition is going to create a long process because the petition and the order 99 will mean that a committee would have to be set up on 1 year them, and that they had gone to Mr. Speaker there on board under the rules, and Mr. Speaker catch on the okay they should try order 93. So I said there with my understanding of the rules, you know, if indeed from what the NDC guys were telling us, because yes we were picking saying so why you way yes you are picking intel. So I said that if Mr. Speaker na why more na pour there will use order 93 to ambush us, it can't work because under order 93, you know, there will be a requirement to refer a matter to a committee if Obi make a statement. So there is no way Mr. Speaker can grant a rule on any matter. So I was well armed with those intel. But I wanted to be sure that whether or a mere rumor or another. Then we were on a public business. Minority leader. Dr. Forsen.
Yeah.
Also, I am meeting the NDC Fukado. Yaswev. Namakache. Me a chief whip there. Ono Onyezina. Onshes obesi. Inti John. I took a say no. I'm sorry. But me speak a name. May expect there. Speaker but stop at 2 forcing work there. No. Za oye no onye. But then I realized that speaker why not meaning there za NDC from work the speaker on they will use order 93 to ambush Harun's petition so that he can proceed to do the thing 1 year. So I got up and did what I had to do. One, to draw Mr. Speaker's attention for Hansard. There's a court process. And fortunately, he himself admitted it.
But he hadn't been served.
Well, but your knowledge, you are on what we call constructive notice.
But 17.
No, please. In good faith, you are on constructive notice. Constructive notice, please. Then he is a lawyer anyway. So I asked Mr. Speaker there, you have this rate. You have told your people not to receive service because on your Monday. Then you are going ahead to hear this matter. Anyway, then at the tail end of the debate, you know, also Obama new ruling Thursday. Then I became alarmed. You've assured me that you won't do anything to disturb this court process. Then we are hearing from the NDC side that while clear as speaker no, they won't use another means to appear before you. Then at the same time, the order now will be under no. You can't give a ruling. But we are also hearing from them there was a speaker show on there. So if they come under the 93, he will give a ruling. Being alarmed, the next day, I decided to assert my rights.
The next day being Wednesday.
You know, equity does not favor the indolent.
Nothing then.
Say, Erko, Azibi Soya was it? Na edida wo ho a wagifi winsem eda wo bada gudo until you have to be vigilant at equity, else your complaints will be too late in the day. So what I did was to act within the law. What did I do?
Yeah, then
I directed service.
Nothing then. Yeah, lawyer friend.
Right, a direct service on any day. Nimpa na or there was 7 no any bailiff in no ko na point there osimesi ni ejina hobi na bailiff a serve
into the come out now
into what serve when the yeboa
ono nye wana
or head of legal
ono se the Monday or
yes memo was 7 bailiff 7 now legal department confirm from maybe why a pam or was 7
on Wednesday.
Was 7 also was a processing common speaker. No bufui. That bazinti na watch service. No also worker chende a Brent and one general or the 2 table no do, and which is a good service. Lawyer be abakacho. Say me bottle wahanum na me serve. It's range. Either them as a bubble. And in a very civil way, must have 2 table though. That is good service.
Backtrack. Benching on Monday, pen was served Parliament. What's the reason?
Well, according to Speaker, I got to know of it that day, that Tuesday. According to Speaker, because of in there was so they here, they there, we serve NPP on Amkwadru Kwejuma or chamber, na clerk so a Parliament, no over 7, Nazintina, only Chief Justice here. Agreement there. No, to make it tidy. Na koka no do but channel. Obeya court processes on Parliament nazeno 1/7 Monday.
Okay.
I'm saying all this based on what the Speaker told me, and based on the circular that, according to him, the Chief Justice had issued.
Maintain was here the Monday.
Right.
To make it tidy, as you said.
Make it tidy.
Understood.
Well,
so fast forward to Wednesday.
Yes, everyone we know was a common speaker. My speaker no before that bazinti. Anna, our friend then, wabe 7-1. On no before I'm on for because at the end of the day, I needed to serve my process on Parliament. Though Parliament is a nominal party, in all constitutional issues, is Attorney General. But to make sure that Parliament was on notice, that is why I added the friend then, Speaker, because I was under no obligation as plaintiff to add Speaker. Any matter of constitutional interpretation, when you are invoking the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court, it is Attorney General who is supposed to be a proper party. But to be fair, I added the Speaker as a nominal defendant. So we make sure that was 7. Then Thursday, the whole day, if Speaker was Speaker BBNT or rest, I tried all I could. I could not get Speaker in his office.
But no Parliament.
No Parliament. Was the BBNT on your available? Metase, because the Jumana here and oil bread. So me chief whips and tree kakra me tree no are very broken.
But he had
me tree in here.
But he had
my man come fancy here.
Out here do.
Enjoy. Me tree no here cry. Me ke tree wa ha. Sha my wife obe from wakadani. Tree ben na ho kan. Patrick Boama so best room. So man come fancy ya. Anyway.
Me say.
Inti ya oda no me ye biara. There Mr. Baker Speaker, BBNT Mensankan. Until there, you can share what your friend then, ne office wo chamber ho, your new chamber ho, for your pre-sitting meeting. And you share no so, yanka BB wo ato force ne asama ozi tugwano. Speaker so ama me hint the leader. Asameno still me pede me kan wo bibi yakatena ho bebepe now omani preamble, and he went ahead to give what he described his opinion of the law based on standing orders, etc. I found it very strange, but clearly
that was on Thursday.
Clearly na yenyanu ndc for no were aware of what was going to happen, because me there na yenyina ya agree mpo there be decision days on Wednesday. Now was yenko Thursday, then all of us was Friday may sit so you do chamber na speaker. In fact, me ke yintwem na me chief whip pay idea no there why am I yielding to them there? You agree decision day Wednesday. You agree so that you best sit on Friday because of some constitutional instrument. Why do I want to yield to them? But he suspect you know what Shaza will behave them. Naturally, BB will watch him. And the young katsin chamber, Muhune there. speaker here them so oh into the work at the man and say to Friday so that they can go home and have a full weekend with his ruling. I'm all right. So I tried to speak for the first time. Chairman, speaker you will be a mubun papa obi biara or parliament wonim enyiza amazema papa. Since I'm by a leader